Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 2nd of December 2022. Liquidity, or rather the lack of it, is harming all asset classes this year, with one asset class in particular being of major concern. Real estate makes up a staggering 57% of all major global asset values according to international real estate provider, Savills, with residential housing representing the lion's share of it, at $258 trillion United States dollars, or 3 times the size of the global economy. Hence, house prices are key to global wealth, liquidity and to political popularity, the latter of which explains why policymakers have provided stimulus and tax breaks to this asset class. We'll dig a bit deeper this week. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices, which were mixed, as were sovereign bond yields and cryptocurrencies, whilst the commodities covered were higher in the main. Meanwhile, the regional coverage shows U.S. house prices falling for a 5th consecutive month, with prices also falling in the UK as mortgage servicing costs catch up with those of renting. Whilst out east, the elephant in the room is China's enormous $60 trillion housing problem. A final chart confirms that it isn't just physical property that is being hit by liquidity pressures. It has also hurt real estate fund investors. The Blackstone Real Estate Income Trust, the behemoth of the U.S. real estate industry valued at $69 billion United States dollars, is compared with the Dow Jones Global Select REIT Index Fund, an index tracking global real estate investment trusts. They have crashed by about 34% year to date into their October lows and despite the recent bounce, look set to continue lower. Blackstone has stated it will limit redemption requests as withdrawal demands exceed its quarterly limit, which will add to the changing investor sentiment to this important asset class. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. We strive to turn the technical into plain-speaking observations, backed up by factual charts and context. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview published at least 40 times per year. Just follow the links provided for the overview and the latest investment timing solutions provided.